Here I have Samsung Galaxy M13, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So first let's open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on this gear icon, and then go to the watermark. Like firstly you have to switch to the rear camera because you can't add watermark on the front camera. Then go to the watermark here, and that's how you can enable it. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this. So let me show you an example. Something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.